ESPN Unlimited review finally cut the cable for good. Alright, sports fans, this might be the moment we've all been waiting for. ESPN just dropped their new standalone streaming service, ESPN Unlimited. For $30 a month, they're promising full access to everything ESPN. No cable required. Sounds too good to be true? Let's find out. So, what does ESPN Unlimited actually include? You get all the live ESPN channels such as ESPN, ESPN2, ESPNU, ESPN Deportes, SEC Network, ACC Network, and even ESPN on ABC. Plus, you get ESPN Plus content like UFC, tennis majors, PGA Tour, and original shows like 30 for 30. And yes, you can stream up to 4 games at once with multi-view. It works on Roku, Apple TV, Fire Stick, and most smart TVs. You can have up to 5 concurrent streams across 3 devices. Perfect for families or roommates. Setup was easy. The app interface feels familiar, basically an upgraded ESPN Plus layout. It's not flashy, but it's functional. I jumped into a live college football game, flipped over to UFC, and browsed multiple replays, all smooth. Streaming quality is solid. I tested it on Wi-Fi and mobile data, no major buffering, even during peak hours, but the app could use a refresh. It's a little clunky when switching between live and on-demand content. Now let's talk about money. ESPN Unlimited is $29.99 per month or $299.99 per year. Compare that to YouTube TV or Hulu Live, which run around $70 to $100 per month. And cable, don't even get me started. You can also bundle ESPN Unlimited with Disney Plus and Hulu for $44.99 per month, and that's a full entertainment package. Sports, movies, and shows for less than most cable bills. So who's this for? Hardcore sports fans, this is your dream. You get NFL, NBA, MLB, college football, UFC, tennis, golf, and more. If sports are the only reason you're still paying for cable, ESPN Unlimited is your ticket out. If you already have ESPN Plus, this is a major upgrade. ESPN Plus alone doesn't give you live ESPN channels. ESPN Unlimited does, and that's the difference. Bottom line, ESPN Unlimited is finally the real deal. It's not perfect, the app could be smoother, it's sports only. But if you've been waiting for a way to stream all of ESPN without cable, this is it.